Good day, learners. How are you doing today? I trust you all are doing great. Okay. Today's lesson will be on mathematics, and our topic for us is number based. We will also be looking at binary numbers. My name is Mr. Victor Eshemoge, and I'll be a tutor. So let's hope we have a wonderful lesson period. So I urge you all, in order for it to be a wonderful one, you all should pay close attention to whatever you get to see and hear in this video. Just in case along the line you need to ask any question, just go ahead and place your question in the question chat. So we are finished later on. Okay. So now let's move on into our topic for today's lesson: number based and binary numbers. So I won't be surprised if some of us here are just finding this topic for the first time, and they're just seeing this topic for the first time rather. And you might be wondering what number base are. What are number base? Now let's go ahead and take a look at what number base means. So pay attention to this, okay? A number base is the way we count and write numbers. Says a number base is the way we count and write numbers. The number system we use every day is called base 10 or decimal. The number system we use every day is called base 10. It uses 10 digits from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, it uses 10 digits: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So if you remember carefully, our topic for today's lesson is binary number based and binary numbers. Okay. So after knowing the meaning of number base, here we'll be looking at the meaning of binary numbers. Okay. Now binary means base two. Take note. Okay. Binary means base two. It uses only two digits, 0 and 1. It uses only two digits, 0 and 1. It is how computers and robots understand numbers. It is how computers and robots understand numbers. That is binary numbers. I said binary numbers means base 2. Binary numbers uses only two digits, 0 and 1. Binary numbers is how computers and robots understand numbers. Okay. So here we'll be looking at a few comparisons and differences between the binary numbers and the decimals. Okay, we have 0 which is equal to 0 in decimal, 0 binary is equal to 0 in decimal. Then 1 binary 1 is equal to 1 in decimal. Then 1 and 0 which actually looks like 10 but it's 2 in decimal. Then 110 is 3 in decimal. 101 is 4 in decimal. Binary is 110 is 5 in decimal. Then binary 111 is 6 in decimal. You can keep going as long as you can keep up. Okay. So here we'll be looking at a few examples of how binary works. Binary 101 is equal to what in decimal. Now this is how it works. 1 times 2 raised to power 2 plus 0 times 2 raised to power 1. Remember, 10 is equal to 2. Then raised to power 2, that's raised to power 2. Then 0 times 2 raised to power 1. Then 1 times 2 raised to power 0. Altogether, it's 4 plus 0 plus 1, which is going to give you what? 5 binary, 5 decimal. So now let's try these together. What is binary 110 in decimal? 1 times 2 raised to power 2 and 0 times 2 raised to power 1 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 0, which will give us 4 plus 2 plus 0 is equal to 6. Here, you might be wondering where binary is being used. Binary is used in different places and different situations. For instance, in the computers, binary is used. In the robots, that's what binary use. And that's what robots use rather. In the digital clocks, binaries are used. And in coding as well, binaries are used. So now let's try out some practice questions. It's practice 5. So follow the instructions as stated above. Convert these. from binary to decimal. Convert these from binary to decimal. We have 10 is equals to what? 110. I mean, sorry, pardon me, 10. That's not 10 actually. Binary 10 is equals to what? Then 111 is equal to what? Then 1001 is equals to what? In decimal. So you have to convert this from binary to decimal. Okay, guys, thank you for a wonderful day well spent with you. I'm sure you've learned something of great use today in binaries and number base. Wonderful to have you here once again, and I really hope to see you in our next class. Thank you once again, and have a wonderful day ahead.